Okay, so in the last video I showed you how to set up this spreadsheet and this table here and enter all the numbers, so hopefully you have that done. Now the next thing we're going to work on is finding the mean, or the average sometimes we call it, the median, and the mode. If I look back at my document here, it says how many particles did you count, what is the mean, what is the median, what is the mode. So that's what we have to work on, the mean and the median and the mode. Okay? So actually, let me do this. Highlight there, insert one above. Okay. Also I have to do the total. Alright, so I could just add these up probably in my head, but why do all that hard work when Google Sheets can do it for me? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to highlight that box right there. That's where I want actually I want the total to go in this box right here. Total number of particles. So I'm going to highlight that box. Then I'm going to come over here to this, it's called a sigma, and it says functions. So I'm going to go sigma sum. And now it's going to give me a sum, but it wants to know what numbers to add up. So I'm going to click on that 2. You see how it highlights it in orange. Then I'm going to go all the way up here, and I'm going to click the shift button and hold that down and click again. So now the whole thing is in orange. So now what this is going to do in this cell right here, it's going to give me the sum of B2 to B25. So B2 to B25 is that right there. All I have to do now is hit return, and there it is, it's 40. Okay, Excel or spreadsheets are great for doing some math functions. All right, so now we want to do the mean or the average. So I can do the same thing. I want the answer to go there. So I'm going to come over to this sigma and select average. And again, it wants to know what to average together. So I'll click the 2. I'll go up to the top and hold down shift and click the 1. Now it's all highlighted and I can hit enter. So the average is 1.66. The median and the mode are a little bit trickier, but it's a good thing. It's a higher level thing to know how to do. So I'm going to have to type this in, because if I come over here, it doesn't include median or mode. So I'm going to come over here and I'm going to do all caps and type in median. Oh wait, sorry. First I have to go to the equal sign, then median, then parentheses, and now I have to highlight my stuff again and enter, and there gave me the median. Okay, so a couple key things: you have to hit the equal sign, and then all caps, then parenthesis, then parenthesis, and then highlight your information, and then enter. Alright, so there I do it. I've got it. I've got the total number, I've got the average or the mean, I've got the median, and I've got the mode. Okay? It's good stuff to know how to do this on spreadsheets. I didn't learn this till just a couple years ago, and it would have saved me a lot of time throughout my life. Spreadsheets are really, really useful. Now I can enter my answers here for how many particles total, what's the mean, what's the median, what's the mode. Alright, so I'm going to let you work on that, and I'm going to pause the video. Oh, you can pause the video. I'm not pausing the video. You pause the video, and when you come back, I'll teach you how to make a graph. Alright. Welcome back. Alright, to make a graph, I only want to graph this information here. I want to graph the total. Yeah, that's it. I just want to graph the total. So I'm going to go total, just like that. I mean, that's what I want to graph. This is going to be a really boring graph, but it'll help us get started for the next graph. Actually, you know what? I'm not going to teach you how to do a graph. I'll teach you how to do that later. All right, you're all done then. Have a good day.